Good morning, guys. It is 6 minutes past 8 on Monday, the 4th of March 2023, and just still waiting for the platform to finish loading. I have so far managed to sign in, and as I say, I'm just waiting for the practice account to finish loading here. Sometimes it can be a little bit slow, particularly around this time of the day, as markets have just opened. But it looks as if we are seeing it appear now. So, just as things stand, price for today currently up about 0.1%. 76.90. Our portfolio value stands at 14,243, which is up 18.5%. And as you can see at the bottom, all the figures are currently in green. And the candlesticks all look pretty nice and regular. Starting to close that gap to the historic trend line. Let's have a look at the notifications briefly. I don't have a lot of time this morning, but ITV rallies 14% after selling a BritBox stake for 255 million to fund a share buyback. Everbridge surges 24%. Dell Technologies up 37%, and Autodesk up 6%. That Dell rise is quite amazing. That's to do with demand for AI servers, it says there. Guys, with that said, let's go ahead and try and put through our weekly investment. As you know by now, this is a roughly 8-year fire journey. We are investing in the S&P 500 exchange traded fund at a rate of £120 per week, and this is on the Trading 212 practice platform. They provide 50,000 theoretical pounds to play with, and it's going to take roughly 8 years to get that all invested. So guys, I have sent through that order. I'm not sure if it has actually, okay, it has executed. And I assume these figures have updated as well. I forget actually what it was when I first started here. Was it 243 or something? So yeah, so 363 would be right. So I think everything has updated, and of course this, let me just double check. Yeah, this is year 1, week 48. So we're coming close to the 2-year mark in this 8-year journey. In one way, I'm tempted to say we're coming close to a quarter of the way there, and yet in another way, that is kind of to misrepresent things slightly, because what we see in temporal terms, in the duration of the fire journey, is not really what you see in terms of the compounding effect over time. And that's a difficult notion to try to explain. I don't know if I'd be able to, but essentially, I suppose what you could say is, in proportionate terms, as you have more invested, then the growth each year is more important. So for instance, let's say in the first year, if you only had £1,000 invested and it grew at 10%, well, that's going to give you an extra £100 on your portfolio value. And obviously you have to do that before you can get to £10,000 of portfolio value. But let's say, for instance, if you had the option if you had the option to stop investing and you had £200,000 of portfolio value, right, and you stopped investing, well, a year later, actually, sorry, stopping investing is the wrong way to put that. Let me put it a different way. Okay, let's say on the one hand you had 200,000 portfolio value invested, and you had the option to either let it accumulate for another year, or you had the option to begin drawing down from it, and essentially in drawing it down to maintain its current value. Okay, so let's say, for instance, for the sake of argument, if we kept the interest rate the same, so remember in the first example we got an extra £100 from our £1,000 invested at 10%. The second example, we've got 200,000 invested. 10% of that's going to be £20,000 over the space of just 1 year. So you can see there the difference that year makes towards the end of the growth phase, if you like, of the portfolio, as compared to the much less significant importance when the portfolio is in its earlier stages. That's about as well as I think I can explain that. I hope people understood that, and I haven't completely put you off, but as I think J.L. Collins, maybe he was quoting somebody else, as he would say, time in the market is more important than trying to time the market, because you can't time the market. Guys, that's going to be it for this week. Thank you for watching if you have been. And if you enjoy the content, please consider giving me a like, hit the subscribe button to follow the journey, and have a great end to your Monday. Thanks for watching.